We have gathered a lot of our items, so the Pampers and some toiletries. We do have mattresses and cots and things that's coming along.
Just some of the donations Verna Arthur and other members of the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Relief USA Incorporated are gathering to send back home after Hurricane Beryl ripped through parts of the Caribbean. The powerful storm devastated several islands, killing at least 10 people and leaving many others homeless.
My heart was bleeding when I heard about it. My heart was bleeding. Think of all my friends, the families, and just the people who were there. It was just painful because we have never experienced, as far as I'm aware, a hurricane of such magnitude. We have dealt with the volcano eruptions. We have dealt with a hurricane. Then we have dealt with COVID and dengue fever. But this one is just too devastated for us, for our imagination.
Now the SVG Relief USA Inc. is collaborating with the Consulate of St. Vincent and the Grenadines in organizing this relief effort.
The stories are harrowing. You're speaking about many persons who have spoken to, who has given near-death experience, account of what happened. Just imagine islands being wiped out and you have the death toll being so small. So there's a lot of emotions that are flaring right now. So here we are asking persons to donate like small generators, not the commercial type. We're asking for tents, we're asking for tarpaulin, we're asking for cots, we're asking for shovels, borrows, we're asking for chainsaws, we're asking for diapers, adult diapers, children pampers, stuff like that we can get the people to, be as comfortable as possible.
And with many answering the call for help just days after Hurricane Beryl left so much destruction, people here in Little Caribbean say it's just proof of their ability to come together and stand as one.
Because we're Grenadian and that's what we do. And I imagine any other island would say the same and should say the same because we are human beings. It's about the humanity.
Cecil Belfon is a member of the Grenada Hurricane Relief Committee, which is teaming up with the Consulate General of Grenada to send assistance to their beloved home. Like this neighborhood market with barrels full of clothing and other necessities ready to be shipped to Grenada, the group is collecting various items to help families dealing with Hurricane Beryl's aftermath, especially on Carriacou and Petite Martinique, two of the country's smaller islands.
We have people to sort the clothing, make sure they're of good quality, make sure they're good enough, reject anything that's not, up to par. And I must say that all the clothing that came, we didn't have to reject any. So that's good. It means that people were conscientious in understanding that we need new or slightly used clothing, no hand-me-downs. People were very good. We want to thank the community.
And the work is far from over. Organizers of these relief efforts say donations will continue to be accepted for as long as needed. And as people impacted by Hurricane Beryl begin their long road to recovery, volunteers vow to be there for the journey as much as they can, every step of the way. I'm Melissa Rose Cooper, and thank you for sharing with Mo.